Imagine turning a dull wall into a lush, green masterpiece. Vertical gardens are more than just a trend, they are a perfect solution for adding greenery to any space, even when square footage is limited. Whether indoors or outdoors, these living walls bring nature closer, improving air quality, enhancing aesthetics, and creating a tranquil environment. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vertical garden design ideas, exploring innovative and practical ways to bring these green spaces to life. Before diving into the actual design, thoughtful planning is key to a successful vertical garden. Start by assessing the space where you want your garden. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, wind conditions, and available wall support. Different plants thrive in different conditions, so understanding your location's climate and environment helps in selecting the right greenery. Choosing the right structure is equally important. You can opt for wall-mounted panels, freestanding frames, or hanging pocket systems, depending on the look and functionality you desire. For a DIY approach, repurposed wooden pallets, metal grids, or even old shoe organizers can serve as unique plant holders. Another critical factor is irrigation. Unlike traditional gardens, vertical setups often require drip irrigation or self-watering systems to ensure even moisture distribution. Planning for proper drainage is also crucial, as excess water can lead to mold, plant diseases, or structural damage over time. Lastly, consider plant compatibility. Some plants, like ferns, ivy, and succulents, are low maintenance and adapt well to vertical arrangements. If you're looking for edible plants, herbs like basil, mint, and parsley work well in vertical gardens. Mixing different types of plants can add texture and depth to your green wall, making it a visually appealing and functional addition to your space. Love these vertical garden ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow plant lovers. The materials you choose for your vertical garden impact both its durability and aesthetic appeal. Wooden frames offer a rustic charm, while metal grids provide a modern, industrial look. For a more natural approach, bamboo panels or moss walls can create a soft, organic feel. Incorporating different textures and elements can elevate your design. Using a mix of planters, from ceramic pots to repurposed tin cans, adds character to your garden. Climbing vines can introduce movement, while trailing plants bring a cascading effect that softens the overall look. Lighting plays a significant role in vertical gardens, especially for indoor setups. LED grow lights can supplement natural light, ensuring that plants receive the right amount of illumination. You can also incorporate decorative lighting, such as fairy lights or wall-mounted fixtures, to enhance the ambience in the evening. For those who love customization, integrating artwork, mirrors, or sculptural elements can make the vertical garden a true focal point. Adding small water features like mini fountains or misting systems not only keeps plants hydrated but also creates a soothing atmosphere. Which vertical garden idea would you try in your space? Let us know in the comments below. A thriving vertical garden requires consistent maintenance. Regularly checking soil moisture levels and adjusting watering schedules according to seasonal changes is crucial. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause plants to dry out. Installing an automated irrigation system can make this process more manageable. Pruning is another essential task. Trimming dead or overgrown leaves encourages new growth and keeps the garden looking fresh. For edible plants, frequent harvesting not only enhances the garden's productivity but also promotes healthier regrowth. Pest control should not be overlooked. Vertical gardens, especially those indoors, can attract pests like aphids or spider mites. Using natural remedies, such as neem oil sprays or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs, can help manage infestations without harmful chemicals. Fertilizing your plants ensures they receive adequate nutrients. Organic compost, liquid fertilizers, or slow-release pellets can provide essential minerals. Different plants have different nutrient needs, so customizing your fertilization approach based on your plant selection will lead to better growth and vibrancy. Lastly, periodic structural inspections help maintain the integrity of your vertical garden. Checking for any loose fixtures, leaks in irrigation systems, or signs of mold and mildew will prevent long-term damage and keep your garden thriving for years to come. For more garden inspiration and home decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Once your vertical garden is established, adding creative elements can make it a standout feature. Mixing foliage with flowering plants introduces color variations that change with the seasons. Incorporating edible plants like strawberries, cherry tomatoes, or microgreens allows for a beautiful and functional garden. If you're looking for a dynamic display, a rotating panel system can enable seasonal changes by swapping out plants according to different times of the year. Vertical hydroponic gardens, which use water instead of soil, offer a modern and high-tech approach to urban gardening. Creating themed vertical gardens can add personality to your space. A tropical garden with orchids and bromeliads evokes an exotic feel, while a minimalist green wall with uniform succulents creates a clean, contemporary look. Another idea is a scented garden with lavender, rosemary, and jasmine, providing a relaxing, aromatic environment. For outdoor settings, incorporating climbing plants like wisteria or bougainvillea can create natural green curtains, enhancing privacy and softening architectural lines. Additionally, integrating repurposed materials, such as old ladders or vintage frames, into the design can give your garden a unique and artistic touch. Vertical gardens offer endless possibilities, from small indoor installations to large outdoor living walls. They bring nature closer, improve well-being, and transform ordinary spaces into green sanctuaries. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, vertical gardens are an innovative way to embrace sustainability while enhancing your environment. The beauty of a vertical garden lies in its versatility. You can experiment with different layouts, plant combinations, and decorative elements to reflect your personal style. The lush greenery not only enhances the visual appeal of a space but also contributes to better air quality, making your surroundings healthier and more refreshing. Another advantage of vertical gardens is their ability to create a peaceful retreat. A well-maintained green wall can act as a natural sound barrier, reducing noise pollution and providing a calming backdrop for relaxation. Imagine unwinding in a space filled with cascading greenery, where the rustling leaves and subtle floral scents create a soothing ambience. Vertical gardens can be designed to fit any space, no matter the size. From a simple trellis adorned with climbing vines to an elaborate multi-tiered structure brimming with ferns, succulents, and flowering plants, the possibilities are virtually limitless. For those living in urban environments where space is often limited, the functional benefits of vertical gardens extend beyond aesthetics. Plants are natural air purifiers, filtering out toxins and improving indoor air quality. Certain species, such as ferns, peace lilies, and snake plants, are particularly effective at removing pollutants and increasing oxygen levels. This makes vertical gardens a great addition to homes, offices, and commercial spaces, promoting a healthier and more inviting atmosphere. In addition to air purification, vertical gardens contribute to temperature regulation. The presence of dense greenery helps to insulate buildings, reducing heat absorption during warmer months and retaining warmth during colder seasons. This natural cooling effect not only enhances comfort but also helps reduce energy consumption, making vertical gardens an environmentally conscious choice. For gardening enthusiasts, vertical gardens provide an opportunity to grow a variety of plants, including edible herbs, vegetables, and fruits. A vertical herb garden in the kitchen allows for easy access to fresh basil, rosemary, mint, and other culinary staples, adding both flavor and fragrance to everyday meals. Similarly, a wall-mounted vegetable garden can yield tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens, promoting self-sufficiency and a farm-to-table lifestyle. One of the most rewarding aspects of maintaining a vertical garden is its ability to evolve over time. As plants grow and adapt, they create a dynamic, ever-changing display of colors, textures, and other videos. Want more ways to elevate your space with greenery? Watch our other garden decor videos next. This sense of transformation fosters a deeper connection to nature, encouraging mindfulness and an appreciation for the growth cycle of plants. Seasonal variations bring new visual interest, with fresh blooms in spring and summer, rich foliage in autumn, and evergreens providing year-round appeal.